So we say charge on the capacitor is equal to initial charge Q naught 1 minus exponential T divided by RC. Do we have all the values that we need? Do we have Q naught? And then T, it's given here, is 0.5 second, and R we have here, and C capacitance we have. So we have C, we have Q naught, we have R, and we have T. Okay, so Q is equal to Q naught, that is 36 times 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, 1 minus exponential, and minus T, that is 0.5 divided by R, which is 56 times 10 to the power 3 because it's kilo, and then we got the capacitor, which is 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 micro, that is farad. So we got exponential power. Okay, so first thing you can do is solve the power of exponent, that is 0.5 divided by 56 multiplied by 3, solve the 10 to the 10th power of 10, and then use a scientific calculator, or you can directly use the scientific calculator for this. Okay, can you solve these? Yeah. You can use the exponent, you can find the exponential in the NT. If you click on shift on your calculator and press the log, natural log ln, you will find the exponent, or otherwise it is usually written in the form of e to the power x. And then multiply it with 36. So what do we get? 3.416 times 10 to the power minus 5.
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah, coulombs. And if you move the point 1 digit to the right, you get 34.16 times 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. So this will be 34.16 minus 6 is micro coulombs. Okay.